Hello everyone, Sam from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. Today is Saturday. Yesterday we closed the week, so let's get started. The week started on the 26th, February 26th, and this is where I started. Pound yen 20-minute long setup and 60 pip buy orders right there. All the trades taken, you will see that my entry is here, marked as yellow mark here, buy or sell, and SL move to break even plus, and buy is like this, and sell is just the opposite. Four conditions that I have to have before I pull the trigger. Nothing, no trade is a random trade. It must have a setup. Every single thing, every single trade is according to the setup. So this is the first one, 60 pip here, and then this is on the 26th. I get pound CAD for 65 pip, orders are there. Most of these trades are taken by my EA robot, live, trades taken. And this is right there. It's a 7-minute live, right? So robot is taking, opening the trade, placing the SL and TP. Well, I have to set, and then usually I leave it open because I know that once the good trade is open, that it takes several hours before it reaches to the target, right? So, and then in the meantime, I'll definitely, come and take a look and then measure the trade target, right, according to the daily pip. And then I close the trade manually. And then before I close, I record the chart, right? So this is how it is. But trade is open by the EA. If I'm not here, if I'm not watching the chart, but if I'm sleeping, right? But if the setup is there, the trade will open if I have the EA on the chart. So this is how it is. And then this one is also taken by the EA, your Aussie 7-minute chart, 95 pip buy orders right there. And this one has a short setup, Aussie yen 7-minute sell orders right there on the 28th. And this is the gold 100 BS, right? What happened is that this one was, it was like against the trend, by the way. I was expecting that it's going to go up. So I had the TP, wasn't expecting that it's going to hit that fast. And then boom, it just hit it before I get a chance to record the chart. So you can see that, the trade is open here. See this black dotted line? That's what it is. And then this is little arrow. This is where it hit the TL and TP, sorry, and close the trade automatically. That was on the, so, and then gold again. This one from the top, you can see here the same. This one wasn't with the TP, so it all the way. Gold trades, I'm taking my side, and then my son is also taking. So I'm showing both trades. The one he is taking, the one I'm taking. So 28 gold sell order right there, and from 2034 to 2025. Pound CAD buy orders at the 85 pip on the 29, and Euro CAD. When a single currency is moving, all those pairs that involve that currency start to move and then give you the setup. So Pound CAD, Euro CAD, both gave me the setup, and that 95 pip hit there, and what was it, 95? No, 85 pip there, Pound CAD, Euro CAD, 75 pip. Right. Now, this one, small trade in oil, again, taken by the EA right there. You see the Sam's oil and gold EA here? Yeah, so it opened the trade itself and place, the SL and move the SL to break even, all automatic. When I saw this is dropping in, I said, Omar, close the damn thing. This one, gold, you saw, I made the video about it. Anyway, this was my entry, and then I got hit, SL got hit, break even. Then the second entry here, my weekly chart, I knew that it's going to go up towards 2080, right? So, but the first hurdle was 2049, which reached here, and then I said, oh, I'll close it, right? And then this is the second one. This is the Omer took the gold from 100 big size, a small big size on the 29. This one also not Omer, but it's EA, right? My EA opens the trade. So he just put that thing on there. That's it. And then this is the one that I took. And by the way, this is also by the EA, right? But I knew that this is gonna go up. And but very interesting thing that I'm going to show you here is if I have gold. Let's see, this is a gold, 1500 brick size. But if you pay attention here, exactly, I just made the harmonic pattern curves, right? And that's what it is. See, pull the fib from here to here, then you will see that this is exactly this one, 78%. Then it went up to 38%, then dropped to 127, straight up, kiss the line. Then exactly, that's a butterfly pattern, perfect butterfly pattern. And then look what happened after that, boom, right? So this is the beauty about this, harmonic pattern, that if you really understand and then play by the book and watch them, and then the calculation is there. You see a lot of these patterns, right in the money. All right, so this is how I just wanted to share with you guys. So let's go back here again on the March 1st. This is the gold, and this one, Nasdaq, right? Look at that, beautiful, huh? This is trade was opened by the EA, buy orders right there, and boom, boom, all the way. And here S&P 500 as well, trade opened by the EA, right? Once you know the direction, they will go up. Why I know that they would go up? Let me just quickly show it to you, okay? Why I said that they're gonna go up and then I'll keep taking long, because I had my weekly chart for the last couple of weeks and I'm still, bullish on them. See, the DAX, my target was this, which it blew up, and then next target was 161%. We already reached that, right? But S&P 500, you can see the weekly chart. My target was actually for wave 5 was this area, 127 and 127 of this, 127 of this expansion and 127 of this extension, right? And we were here when I made the chart, so we are still going there powerfully, and that's why I opened the trade over there. Similarly, Nasdaq needed to go to the target. The target is 127. I made the video about these, targets, and then so it's there. So I was waiting, and also this one was here when I made the chart, so it started to go up. Last week it went up, and this week so far, and again we still have a room to go. Right. After that, I will see that what it's going to do, but there is no high or lows. The markets, these stock markets are all-time high, and there's no stopping in sight. So these are the only fib extension levels that might matter in coming days, and I'm expecting that they will make the turn. They will make the turn. S&P 500, you can see that my elliott wave count, wave 3, wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is exactly at 161. It's getting stopped here. Then it starts to go up a little bit, and then 127 extension level is right there, 91.73. We closed 91.34. So we have a little bit more room to go to the upside. And then I think that according to these counts, we should be making a turn to the downside. Okay, so that's how it is. So these are the trades taken, and these are the setups that just wanted to share with you guys. And this is it. All right. So today is Saturday. Enjoy your weekend. One more day is Sunday, Saturday night, Sunday morning. Right. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because I might make a video with the upcoming setups, just like I'm showing you the indexes now. Sorry, indices, right? That we have a little more room to go to the upside, and then maybe we'll make the turn. S&P 500, if I look at the 40-minute chart, this is also I'm seeing. See that? Now, you see this 161%. So this is kind of like a X, A, B, C, D. Was the 127% is there, and then 161% is where we already hit, right? So this is kind of like the calculation for a bigger butterfly. I said that I have a doubt that this thing is going to finish here. That's why I put D, this one or this one. So it went to this one. And now the question is that, is it going to drop or what, right? So the pattern is made, and then let's see what happens, right? So I will be expecting to the downside move, but if it doesn't happen, right? So this is it for now. And like I said, if you like what you saw, you want to go, you want to get the system and then learn about it, then you go to my website, creativetradingsystem.com, and you have multiple options there, right? So choose one and get the system if you want. and take it from there. All right. So this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.